Alright, greetings ladies and gentlemen. This is your first tutorial here. This is going to be how to create an elevator pitch using the photo booth if you're using an Apple or a Mac computer. If you're using the Screencast-O-Matic, there's actually a really good video. There's a link above this video on the senior project page of how to use Screencast-O-Matic. I'm actually using Screencast-O-Matic right now to make this video. So I'm not really sure how I would be able to record myself using what I'm already using. So I'll show you this other way to create an elevator pitch and then to publish and autoplay it. You can see here I already opened the template that you will be receiving through your Google Classroom that you can just start editing through there. I'm also going to need to use YouTube as well. But the first thing I'm going to do if I'm on an Apple computer is I'm going to go to my Finder, and in my Finder I'm going to go to Applications. Then I'll go to the photo booth, and then I will open the photo booth up. That photo booth will load up, and you can see there I am. What I need to do is if I go down to this lower left hand corner, I need to click the actual movie button, and then I can press the record button. The nice thing about this is you'll notice there's a countdown here. And now I'm recording, so here's my 60-second elevator pitch. My senior project is basically how to teach myself how to play the mandolin. And on, 60 seconds of this stuff, right? You're going to rehearse it, you're going to make eye contact like I am making eye contact with you right now, and then we're going to basically go from there in order to do that. So I'll keep talking about my project until my timer over here, as you can see, will wind down to 60 seconds. So you may want to rehearse this, rehearse it a couple times at that 60-second mark. Once you have that 60 seconds, you're pretty close. We're not going to grade you down if you're 59 seconds or 62 seconds, as long as you're really close to the 60-second mark. All right? So you're going to talk about that project. You're going to let us know some of the details and anything you kind of learned from it. You need to make eye contact, not mumble, and pronounce all your words. Alright, so I reached my 60 second. I'm going to stop my video. And now I have this video here. Alright, I could watch the video. Maybe if I don't like it, I could reshoot it. But if I click on it, see, like, so there you go. There's my video there. Now the thing with the Macs, what you can do is you can actually, and you can see I tested one earlier, but I'll throw that away. I'm going to put this on my desktop so I don't get the two of them confused. So now that's on the desktop. I don't need my photo booth anymore. What I do need to do is I need to go to my YouTube. You're going to have to be logged on to your YouTube for this. And then you'll see this button with the arrow here. You want to click that. And it's going to take you into your upload part of the videos. So you can basically drag or drop or select in files. So the nice thing about putting it there, I can just drag and drop it in here. And now it's going to start publishing my work. So from there, basically, I'm just going to wait for it to publish. And I'll go ahead and pause and let that finish doing that. My processing is done now. I can go ahead and change the title of this because I don't want it to necessarily say movie on the date, so I'll just change it to my elevator pitch example. And then from there, if I wanted to add a description, I could. It's public, so then I'll go ahead and press publish. And once I've published it, then it's going to now give me this. And so I can go ahead and Command C or Control C if you're on a Chromebook. And now I've just copied that. Now I can go back to my Google slide. I go to the Insert button. I press Insert, Video. And now I can go ahead and just paste that in there. Oh, I'll go to the By URL first, then paste it in there. And you'll see that it comes right up. I'll say Select. And then it will pop up here. You'll notice it's not the right size. So I'll just go ahead and drag it around. I can grab the corner of it to make sure that it's the right size that I want. Now it's a little different than it looks like that box behind it. So I could actually go ahead and move it to the side for a minute, click this other box that's in the template, and go ahead and just get rid of that box. right? And now I can center this however I want in there. So now I have basically my video there. Now the thing with the video, another thing that is kind of cool that we want you to do is go to the video options. You notice the blue things have to be clicked on there, but you go to the video options and it's going to give you some editing if you wanted to edit it. We're not really doing that, but I want you to click Autoplay when presenting. So that means when the poster pops up, it's just going to automatically play this video. And then we'll go ahead and X that, and it should just autoplay. So when we present, it will automatically play. So there's creating an elevator pitch for yourself. Remember, rehearse it a couple times before you record. If you don't like the recording, erase that recording. It only takes 60 seconds to get it done. Then you need to publish it on YouTube so that you can get that YouTube URL. Then you're going to go ahead and insert video, and from the insert video, right, you're going to go to the video options and then press the autoplay function. I hope this video is informative. If you have any more questions, come see Mr. Anderson in room H9 or Mr. Mitchell in H27. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed.